Hi, I'm Carol, and I've had NCR done 3 times. This is my third session. The reason I came in initially was I was having a lot of problems breathing. I was snoring. I was told by several people, you snore. After I had it done the first time, it greatly improved my breathing and my snoring. I used to breathe out of my mouth a lot too, and people would comment on that. Now I breathe so much better. I'm really happy with the results and I'm really glad I did it. One thing I noticed too was that the diameter inside my nostril has almost doubled in size, partly because of the injuries I had on my face. I would recommend, if you have any problems breathing or have had any kind of injury to your head or face from sports or otherwise, that this is a great treatment to do.